Welcome to the vlog. Happy weekend, you guys. I'm just getting gas as per normal, but actually we're not as low, okay? So if you guys are new here, I like to live on the edge when it comes to gas, okay? And my mileage, okay? My kilometers. Welcome. My name is Nicole, and you're here for a fun weekend. Let's hope, because this weather, it's snowing. We finally got it. So anyways, let's get gas. Finished getting gas. Now we're getting some food, or you know. Like, I have a bone to pick. Like, when you're shopping, how are you not aware? Like, I don't like to complain, but like, how are you not aware that you smell bad? Like, I don't get it. Like, there are people that smell like dirty sweat, underwear, socks, like you haven't showered. How are you not aware? Don't get it. I'm home now. Look at this. I love when the blonde shines through. Okay, we're gonna, unfortunately, I don't have my thing. I don't know where I put it, so we're gonna do these. I found my skinny syrup. Cookie, sugar cookie. We are so excited. We're gonna open it very soon. On my plan, I'm supposed to have, I've been having jam that's got sugar in it. I know it's terrible, but that's when I bought it post-show. So I bought one with no sugar. Focus. So no sugar. So we can't have that. But 3 for $7. Here we got my Coke sodas, which I love, Dr. Coke. And then, because these are 0 sugar, and then cherry, because we love that. We got frozen strawberries, $13. Put that away, because it's frozen. And then yogurt, the Oikos that I usually get is, wasn't on sale. This was on sale, so I got this one. It's Greek yogurt. This was on sale, thank goodness. We need egg whites. We got this mayo, by the way, is straight fire. You guys are sleeping, so there's that. I just have like a little, and then that's it. And then more of my favorite mustard, the sweet and spicy. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm getting ready to get out and go and have a fun evening. I'm going to bring you guys along and definitely vlog because I love it. So see you guys later. Bye. Yeah.
And I knew about the cover mall and the cover park, and I knew
And there's stuff. Yeah, I know for sure.
I had a few hours to rest before we headed to Lighthouse, but the pain didn't go away. In fact, it actually got worse. And about a half I'm so glad that he rescued me. That was a marked day in my life and the start of God's molding me, stretching me, bringing change into my life, teaching me to rest in Him, to trust Him, to find my hope in Him, and most of all, teaching me to yield. That's been a difficult thing. God was preparing me for all the deep valleys and mountains that laid ahead for me in my life. I'm so glad that that scared little girl obeyed God's prompting and walked into Cheryl's home that was so inviting, filled with love, acceptance, and belonging that I received from each lady there. And I still feel that way when we gather in
You guys, I literally won a prize. I can't even. Is it gonna say? I need my, where's my stand? Got it. Okay, I need to go this way. Right? This way or this way? Which way are we going? Hello? 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 Oh my God, can you guys see me? Am I too much in the dark? Am I too much in the dark? Is this better? I don't understand. Okay, I gotta turn the light on. Yeah, let there be light. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so I put in my name for a draw. So there was a bunch of things, saw an auction. One of the big grand prizes, which I didn't win, was 3 golf lessons with Darren McMillan. And so I introduced myself because I was like, I really want to win that prize, and I didn't win it, but that's okay. But look what I won. Oh my God. I won a warming, oh, that's in French. Look. In très grand, I won a warming tray, extra large. It is 10:20. I need to go to sleep. I'm so tired because I go to the gym tomorrow. But like literally, how cool is this? It's a hot plate, but like a giant one. And like to keep food warm for the holidays. Well, Merry Christmas to me. Happy birthday. So, and I might have a potential date. More on that later. But anyways, I gotta go to sleep. So I love you guys and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, it's Saturday. I tried to sleep in. Very hard to do. So now I'm gonna go to the gym and just do cardio. I'm just gonna do stairs. I didn't do stairs for the past 2 days because my calf is tight and my throat is not feeling so great. So I don't want to push some weight. Just gonna go put my headphones in and get on the stairs. Okay. Bye. Hi. So you guys saw the last clip. I went to go get a cabin air filter. I didn't realize that you have to change it all the time. They tried to get me to like, stop. They tried to charge me like $140. I was like, that's a no. To change it and do all the things. And I was like, I just went to the store and changed it myself. $35. So no. But anyways, it was very black. It was very dark. So it just changed it. Did all myself. I'm such a girly girl. Anyways, I know I need a Christmas mug like Hello Kitty. I need one. So coffee's late. Oh, I love when it's hot. Coffee's later than normal. And we're going to go eat our snack. We are going to clean our house because our house is so messy and dirty. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing today. I don't know if I'll be going out later today. I kind of want to go see a movie by myself, to be honest. But I also might just rent one from home and do that. But we'll see. I really want popcorn, not going to lie. But I have to check in with my coach, do all the things. And then, yeah. But we're going to go and get some coffee in me because it's been a crazy morning. It's like snow falling. It's like really kind of cute. I'll show you. Yeah, you guys can see that. See, it's like cute. Like so cute. Just snow. Snow is glistening. Are you listening? So yeah, we need coffee in our system. We need food. And then we're gonna go to town. I have to do laundry. I have to literally clean the floors, vacuum the floors, do all things. And then just get rid of stuff that doesn't serve me any purpose. So we are cleaning. We just finished like cleaning. I took off the chair covers and washed them. So I just did that. Looking real nice. Finished. Oh, Goldman fell. I just finished my dinner and then I had a Ninja Creamy because my mom is bringing my my mom is bringing some cake. So I was like, let me have the Ninja Creamy because I have my buff coffee in it. And so I remember last time I ate my I had my creamy that had buff coffee in it and I was wide awake and that was no good. So I was like, let me have it early so that we don't deal with that. So, and if not, I will probably most likely eat this cake tomorrow. Feeling really good, eating everything on plan, haven't eaten anything off plan. So yeah, I'm just watching some Sydney Adams and now I'm gonna go, again, I did laundry as you guys saw, or I washed those I washed those seat covers. And so now we need to organize this room, you guys. This room is a mess. So we just did laundry. Ta-da! So it's all clean. So now I'm gonna put it away and then do all the things. I know I need to wash my sheets. That's a thing that I need to do. Maybe I'll do tomorrow. So we'll see. But anyways, here we go. I got an email from my coach. Yay! Let's listen to it. Hi, Leslie. Thank you for sending your check-in. I love that she's always on the treadmill. It's so great. 1 minute.
Hello. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for checking in. I'm glad it was such a solid week. I do love the goal of mindfulness and connection and making sure that you're choosing an appropriate weight. I've said this before, but there's a difference between lifting a weight and lifting a weight with intention. So making sure that you're using the proper muscle to lift the weight and you're not just moving it with your entire body. But I love that you are going to pick a heavier weight, do as many perfect reps as you can, and then move on to the lighter weight. So that's the best way that you can possibly do it. Great week when it comes to nutrition, and I love how you made a note that you feel better following your meal when you follow your meal plan. So I totally agree. It's crazy how food makes you feel. Food just makes you feel so much better. It makes you have less brain fog. It makes you move better, more energy. So glad that you had just a solid week overall. Sleep. I know you know why, so we need to get that up. It's so important when it comes to recovery, inflammation, strength, energy, brain function, like everything. We need sleep. So definitely make sure you focus on that for this week. That's totally fine for the multivitamin. I mean, why not get extra calcium and biotin? Like, may as well. So,
yeah.
I think you had a great week. You're on a good roll. So let me know if there's anything that I can do for you.
And we meet up on Wednesdays. Yay! What a great check-in. Blah, blah, blah. Right, so it's almost 4 o'clock. We finished, put all the clothes away. That's just my pajamas and that's just what I'm gonna wear for tomorrow, laid it out, you know what I mean. And then I've gotta do cardio. Just go on the treadmill and get some steps in, you know? But other than that, I'm feeling super inspired by Jillian Parker, my posing coach. She renovated her, well, she redid her bathroom. And she's really making me want to do mine. So I told her that. And she was like, oh no, but also not sorry. So I have music in the background. Probably edit this out. Or it's not so loud, but anyways. So this is the current bathroom. I don't like that. Like, I can't wait to find, I think that's my biggest thing for the washroom. I think that's my biggest thing is for the washroom is to find something different. I don't like it. This is just temporary. I don't even know where this came from, to be honest. I do want a round mirror. The only issue is this light. So I think I might not do a round. I can't wait to change the light fixture because literally have one because it's so bright. Kid stuff there. See, this is the dilemma. See, it's brown. Ugh, I'm gonna paint this like a lighter color. Keep the flooring, obviously, because there's nothing wrong with it. I most likely will keep the paint because there is not really, oh yeah, there's chipping. Ooh, right there, so gross. So yeah, I gotta redo that. And then same with the up there. It's like annoying. So I gotta redo that. But that's a summer project. We're just kind of brainstorming. So, cause I really want 3 shelves. Like I really want it to start like here, 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 and then I can do like decor and like have more things because even in here, like it's just so like, ugh, I don't know. I just want to put toilet paper in there, maybe towels. I'm not sure because I have so much stuff. So this is the current sitch. We are going to go through everything and I promise before and after, and we will show you the upgrade because there's a lot of things that need to go. Bye. guys, we fixed it. So we changed all of it, got rid of some old stuff that really expired. Yes, that's a mess, but you know what? It like looks so much better. Love. Oh my gosh. Now it's like, what do I do now? I love it, you guys. It looks so much better. It's more organized. It's like, you know, dental, you know, like creams and shavers, nails, medicine, face masks, emergency kit. And then this, but this towels, like they go in and out. I have to get new towels. Like once I redo the bathroom, I'm gonna get like a full set of towels that match because I just don't like this brown. Like this brown is where it's at. Like I just want to get a lighter, like tan. I can't wait for summer, but we'll have to wait. But yeah, I just want a 3 shelf because I think that will look really good. Well done.